Hi, this is Sai Reddy from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics, day 13. Third topic, coding and decoding. So, coding definition. Given data, convert into codes. Given data, convert into codes. For example, A and B given data. For example, A and B given data, convert to 1 and 2. So, coding. Given data A and B, convert to 1 and 2. Next, decoding. Decoding definition. Codes convert into original data. Codes convert into original data. So the codes are 1 and 2. 1 and 2 convert to A and B. Codes convert into original data. Means decoding. By assigning numerical values to the alphabets, A to M and N to Z. So numerical values. A value 1, B value 2, C value 3 up to Z value 26. And remember, very, very important, Z value 26, again A value 27, B value 28. Like this up to Z value 26 plus 26, 52. Again next A value 53. Continuous. So we know X value 24, Y value 25, Z value 26. Again after Z value, A value 27, B value 28, like this up to Z value 52. And important, opposite pair letters. Opposite pair letters. AZ opposite pair letter, BY opposite, CX opposite, DW opposite, like this up to MN. MN opposite pair letters. There are total 13 opposite pair letters. Total 13 opposite pair letters. And remember, sum of opposite pair letters will always equal to 27. Sum of opposite pair letters. Sum of opposite pair letters always equal to 27. For example, A value 1, Z value 26. So sum 27. Next, G value 7, T value 20. Sum 27. M, N 13 and 14. So total 27. Sum of opposite pair letters value always equal to 27. By ascending numerical values to the alphabets, A value 1, B value 2 up to Z value 26. Next to opposite pair letters. And remember, in this topic, no need of pronunciation, no need of spelling, and no need of meaning. We calculate only letters. Next, in a certain code language, BOXER is written as AQWGQ. What will be the code of VISIT in that code language? So, given BOXER written as AQWGQ. So B value 2, O value 15, X value 24, E value 5, R value 18. And 1, 17, 23, 7 and 17. From relation 2 to 1, minus 1, minus 1. Next to 15 to 17, plus 2. And 24 to 23, minus 1. 5 to 7, plus 2. 18 to 17, minus 1. So, given code minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1. We have to apply for second one. V I S I T. So, values 22, 9, 19, 9, 20. Minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1. 22 minus 1, 21. 9 plus 2, 11. 19 minus 1, 18. 9 plus 2, 11. 20 minus 1, 19. So, U, K, R, K, S. First option. U, K, R, K, S. So, in this question, given code minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1. We have to apply for second one. So, answer U, K, R, K, S. Next one. If ORAL is coded 3196, then how can NUMBER be coded? So, given ORAL 3196. So, we have to find out NUMBER. Given values O value 15, R value 18, A value 1 and L value 12. We have to add 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. And reverse. 3, 1, 9, 6. 9, 6. So ORAL. Let us convert into numbers and add two digits. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. And reverse. So given n value 14, 21, 13, 2, 5 and 18. So addition. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 2, 5, 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. And reverse. And reverse. So answer reverse. 9, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5. 9, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5. First option. So simple. Given letter converted to numbers, add two digits and reverse. Same as second one. Letter converted to number, add two digits and reverse. 9, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5. First option. Next one. In a certain language, Oka Peru means fine clans, Meta Lisa means clear water, and Dona Lisa Peru means clear, fine, clear weather. Which word of that language means weather? So first one take as equation 1, second one equation 2, and third one equation 3. From equation 1 and 3. From equation 1 and 3. So Peru. In equation 1 and 3, common Peru. Here, fine. Fine. Peru means fine. Next one. From equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3. So second one, Lisa. Here, clear. Lisa means clear. Lisa means clear. And remaining word Donna. Dona means weather. Dona means weather. Dona means weather. Which word of that language means weather? Dona. Second option. Second option. So first one take as equation 1, second one equation 2, third one equation 3. From equation 1 and 3, Peru is common for both Peru and fine. So Peru means fine. From equation 2 and 3, Lisa. Lisa means clear. Remaining weather. Weather means Donna. So answer second option Donna. In a language, in a code language, SAFER is written as 5 at the rate of 3 as 2. And RIDE is written as 2 and percentage ash. How would FEDS written in that code? So SAFER written as 5 at the rate of 3 ash 2. Next, RIDE written as 2 and percentage ash. So FEDS. So F means 3, E means ash, and D means percentage, and S means 5. 3 ash percentage 5. So third option. Next one. If REQUEST is written as S number 2 or number 5 number 2 TU, then how will ACID be written? So given REQUEST written as S number 2 or number 5 number 2 TU. So what is the code for ACID? So R value 18, S value 19. So we know vowels. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbering. So R value 18, S value 19 means plus 1. E vowel, so numbering 2. Numbering 2. Next, Q value 17, R value 18 plus 1. And U value, U vowel, so number 5. E number 2. S value 19, S value, and T value 20 means plus 1. T value 20, U value 21 means plus 1. So in place of consonant plus 1 means next letter. In place of vowels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbering. So A vowel. So number 1. C 3 plus 1 means next letter D. I vowel. So 3. D plus 1 means next letter E. So answer 1D 3E. Fourth option. 1D 3E. A equal to 26, SUN equal to 27, then CAT will be equal to. So A opposite letter Z. Z value 26. SUN. So sum of opposite pair letter value always 27. S value 19. So 27 means 8. 8 means H. So 21 means 26 F. 14. So opposite M. 8 plus 6 plus 13. 8 plus 6 plus 13. Total 27. Total 27. So same as CAT. C opposite to X, A opposite to Z, T opposite to G. T operator G. 24 plus 26 plus 7 means 57. Third option 57. E equal to 5, HOTEL equal to 12, then LAMB. LAMB. So E value 5 and only 1 liter. So 5 by 1, 5. Next to hotel means 8 plus 15 plus 20 plus 5 plus 12. Total sum 60 and there are 5 letters. 60 by 5 means 12. So next one should be 12. L value 12 plus 1 plus 13 plus 2. Total sum 28 by 4 letters. 28 by 4, 7 means first option. 28 by 4 means 7. So first option. Average. Sum of, sorry, sum of letters by number of letters. Average. Sum of letters by number of letters. If dust is called air, air is called fire, fire is called water, water is called color, color is called rain, and rain is called dust, then where do fish live? So we know generally fish live in water. Fish live in water. But according to given one, water is called color. Water is called color. Is called. Is called. So water is called. Water is called color. So answer color. Third option. Water is called color. So generally fish lives in water. Water is called color. So third option color. If in a code language white means black, black means yellow, yellow means blue, blue means red, red means green, then what is the color of human blood? So blood color we know red, red. But here given blue means red. Blue means red. So we have to use English vocabulary. Blue means red, means meaning of. So blue means red. So meaning of. So answer blue. In previously is called. So we can directly take. But here blue means red. Red is meaning of blue. So answer blue. Fourth option. Guys, is called and means both are different. Is called and means both are different. Is called and means both are different. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. In a certain code, MODERN is written as 456123 and WIN 783. How is RIDE written in that code? So you have four options. Comment your answer.